Welcome back, guys. It's Big Bench Crypto here, and as you can tell by the title, yes, we are talking about that protocol today. Now, today's video is going to be split in two sections. The first section, I'll be showing you how to actually invest in that network to earn that sweet 10% daily ROI, and the second part will be updating y'all on how much I've earned for the past 2.5 days. So yeah, let's jump into it. So the first thing you will do is connect your MetaMask wallet. Your network will be the Binance Smart Chains, as you will see in a minute. Right, so you will change here to the Smart Chain network, and as you change to the Smart Chain network, you will press connect. And as soon as you press connect, it should snap into place like this. As you can see right now, the duck price is at 77 cents, which is perfect. So the protocol has been growing since it has been launched. So as you can see, one duck right now is worth 77 cents, about to hit 78 cents. The total supply is still 1 million. The available supply is 814,753. The circulating supply, however, is 185,246.09. Once you have BUSD in your MetaMask, it's very easy to mint duck. Now I need you to follow these steps very carefully and don't get mixed up like how I did in my first video. Y'all could go back and watch that video to see what not to do, but I'm going to show you what to do in this video. So basically what you do, you would type in the amount here. So let me say you invested $100. You would approve it here, press approve. You would approve it in MetaMask as well, and then you will come down here and type in the same $100, and you would press stake. That's basically it. And as soon as you press stake, refresh the page, and you will see the amount of duck you have made. Right, so you will see the amount that you have minted right here. You can decide if you want to claim it or not. That's up to you, but make sure you read these. So it says mint duck by staking your BUSD. You can stake as many times as you want to, but you cannot withdraw your BUSD. I need you to take that into consideration. If you do decide to invest in that network, just remember, when you're staking your BUSD to mint duck, you cannot withdraw your BUSD. Now, if you want to stake your duck to earn 6% daily, what you would basically do, you would put in the amount of duck you have here. So let's say you have 1,000 duck, you put it in, and you would press stake, and you will refresh the page, and then you will see your rewards. You will see your rewards earned right here. And as you can see, make sure you read these very carefully. It says stake duck to earn more duck. You can stake as many times as you want, but you can only unstake your duck after 7 days. So after 1 week, you'll be able to unstake it, but within those first 7 days, you cannot unstake your duck. And with the BUSD one, you cannot unstake your BUSD. When you put it in there, it goes permanent. So let's show you a live demonstration. So right now I have $9.02. Let's approve this. Right, so since we approved that, what we will do now is come here. I type in the same $9.02 and press stake. Right here you can see the claim airdrop. I believe this was taken down for at least a day, but now it's back up as it says complete your weekly quest so you can receive 100 duck airdrop. So you can receive 100 duck. As you can see, it says have at least 100 BUSD stake, 7 days since the last claim, and have 5 or more referrals from the level 1. As you can see here, you can sell your DOT tokens right here. Sell your DOT tokens. Only 40,000 tokens can be sold per day. So yeah, that is a great thing there. As you can see, only 4,177.12 has been sold for today. When you come in here, you can see the quick guide, so you can see the token address. We can see that this was launched on the 25th of January. So it says stake your BUSD and earn daily staking rewards in Duck. You cannot unstake your BUSD, guys. Please keep that in mind when you are investing inside of Duck. When you want to invest in and yeah, but as you can see, within my 2.5 days I have earned 5.4430 Duck, which is equivalent to $4.18 in past 2.5 days, which I believe is perfect. And plus the Duck price has been growing as well. Last check, the Duck price was around 40 cents for one, and we are almost double that within 2.5 days, which is perfect. And yeah, as you can see, it is really growing. And yeah, if y'all guys do think that this 10% ROI is perfect for you, because I know it's perfect for me, then I will leave the link in the description so that you guys can join as well.